Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will continue the must-try AI tools in Canva. Here is the second part when we talk about the Kebab Letters. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So just closing this maximize page, going to the second page, searching for the apps, and here just type in kebab, already find the Kebab Letters. This is actually a really similar what I show you guys in the first video, the text art, but here we do not have a chance to modify the outlook, the look of the text. Here we have only kebab. So I just typing Canva generate, wait until the AI doing the job, and have this fancy Kebab Letters. Here I already have it. Looks like really funny. It really makes looks like this kebab. And now the second one will be the teacher. Sorry. Meanwhile, I'm removing the background on the first one. And here is the teacher. As you can see here, we do not have any limitation. What was in a text start when we can generate only two text per day for free. Here we do not have any limitation, so we can generate even more. As you can see, it's always generate a bit different style, but very funny how this looks like. Unfortunately, there is only one style, not only one style. I mean, we cannot choose the style, but you can see generate different style of letters, which looks really funny for me, and I really like it. That's this type of app actually really good for small kebab restaurants to make some funny flyers, or even just when somebody would let use some funny thing. But this is also a free tool in a Canva, so I would like to show you. So here is the final outcome. This tutorial going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you enjoyed it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. And please also leave a note in the comment section if you have any question about Canva or AI, or struggling on something, or we would like to see a tutorial about some feature of the Canva, or even for any AI tools. And this is also really helps me to keep my channel growing, to feeding the YouTube, feeding the algorithm, to moving my channel to the higher and higher position, higher rank. And please also check my Facebook group. You can find the link in the description, where you can find lots of tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts, and also you can find lots of AI text to image generation prompts. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.